Welcome to the Earth Eats Kitchen. My name is Heather, and today we are making super pudding.
Super pudding? Oh, is that what Superman eats? Super
I bet he
pudding?
does.
Oh, yeah.
I bet he does.
So Heather, what makes this pudding so super?
So super. I think what makes it super is that I added mango. Mango is really good for you.
That's fun to say.
It is fun to
Mango.
say. It's a really funny looking fruit.
Oh, yeah.
You wouldn't just bite into it.
No.
But I did cut it in half.
Okay.
And I took the peel off.
Yeah.
And I have this beautiful, juicy yellow fruit underneath. It's really good.
Mango.
So I'm going to add some to the blender.
Okay.
You're going to love it.
Put
You're
the
going to like it.
mango in the blender.
I am. Yeah. So I'm going to put in some mango.
Mango. Yeah.
It's awfully tall for you to see it.
Yeah. It's see-through though, so I can see.
Yes, there's that. Yeah. And then I'm going to put in some strawberries.
Oh,
I already know you
my
like
favorite.
these.
Yeah. That's not as fun to say as mango.
No, it's not. It's not.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put something special in.
Oh.
Vanilla pudding. I made this myself. It's really good.
Yeah.
I bet you'll like it. And I already know how you like vanilla.
Yeah. But not as much as mango. Yeah.
We have that.
Okay.
And now we're going to add to this some milk.
Oh.
This is a good, healthy drink.
That comes from the cow.
It does.
Yeah.
And you could use almond milk or soy milk. As a matter of fact, almond milk would be really good in this too.
Hey, Heather, remember when we made the purple cow?
Yes, I do. That's another funny name.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is super pudding, yeah.
It's super pudding, and I'm using the blender.
And Heather, it's super easy to make.
It is super easy for you and super easy for everyone else.
Yeah. Oh, blender time.
Oh, cover that ear.
Yeah. All
And
done?
that's it. All done.
Okay, good.
It's frothy.
That smells good.
It does smell good. It's very tropical.
Yeah. Tropical, yeah. Mango.
Yeah. I need to remember to leave the lid on. That's the thing
Oh,
about a
yeah,
blender.
yeah.
You have to make sure you always leave the lid on.
It's messy.
It is messy.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that looks good.
Perfect.
Wait, Heather?
Uh-huh.
Do you have an umbrella?
Just for you.
Mango.
Would you like to try some?
Yeah.
Mango. It's a super drink, and it's super pudding.
Superman! That's what I feel like. Superman!
Well, now you are.
Yeah.
And it was super easy.
Super easy.